Hi, it's Mary at BaxterBoo.com, and today I wanted to show you a great tee for your dogs. This is the London 2012 dog shirt in white, and this is a great option for you to celebrate the Olympics. As you can see, it says London 2012 and has paws that mimic the Olympic rings. And this is a great tee for you to send to your friends across the pond who would love to have a memento for their pets to share in the excitement of sports. After all, aren't dogs great athletes themselves? So for them, watching the Olympics is sort of like us watching a dog agility competition. So we hope that you will have this great t-shirt, the London 2012 dog shirt in white, and we know that your dogs will enjoy it as well as your friends.